Hi, this is Miss Hannah with the Campbell County Public Library System, and I'm going to show you a fun little nature project that you can do at home. Make sure that you ask a parent before you start this project. So here's some of the materials that we will need. A spoon, a pair of scissors, any kind of string, you don't need a whole lot, just a few feet, some peanut butter, some bird seed, and a pine cone. The first step is to tie the string onto your pine cone. So we're gonna get some string here, doesn't need to be a whole lot. And I'm going to tie one end of it onto the pine cone, and then when we're done, we can hang the other end of the string in the tree. I'm doing a double knot just to make sure that it's extra secure. All right, so now it can hang. Next, I'm gonna open up my peanut butter and we're gonna use this spoon to smear some peanut butter on the outside of the pine cone. And that's what's gonna help the bird seed to stick onto it. And birds like peanut butter too. All right, and once you think you have enough on there, we're gonna roll it in the bird seed. I poured my bird seed into a little container to make it easier. So I'm just going to roll, roll, roll. Here's the finished Pinecone Birdfeeder. Now you can take this and tie it up in a tree branch, somewhere where you think the birds in your yard will really enjoy it, and it'll be a neat treat for them. Fun project for you. Did you know that you can find more ideas like this in our library books with the Campbell County Public Library System? Go online today to our website, campbellcountylibraries.org, and check out what kind of books we have on nature crafts for kids. Have a great day!